OnePlus recently pushed out an update to the OnePlus 11 over the weekend. Updates are usually a good thing, but in this case, some OnePlus users are facing the update is causing camera issues on their phone. According to user complaints made on the OnePlus community forum, these issues ranging from photos not being saved or the camera app keeping crashing after taking a couple of photos. This can be very annoying as it renders the app unusable. Given how many we rely on our phones and cameras, it is understandable that some users are upset. Android Central has reached out to OnePlus, who then told the publication that there is a problem, they are investigating it. At the moment, there is no fix or workaround available. If you haven't updated to the latest version of Oxygen OS 14, then you might have to hold off for some time. This is only affecting OnePlus 11 units. This is because the previous version of the update did not have any issues. Speculation is arising that perhaps the latest update introduced something new which is causing the camera issues on the OnePlus 11. Meanwhile, if you are affected by this, you need to use a third-party camera app like Open Camera.